Hi guys, welcome back to another video of my channel. I've been asked a lot of times that I can't do my proper eyeliner or how to do a wing eyeliner. Yeah, it's a really common problem for most of you ladies out there. So today I'm going to share just two simple tricks that will enable you to do your eyeliner like a pro. So before I start, make sure you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. So tip number one, practice vertical and horizontal lines. What you need to do is just take a piece of paper and draw vertical and horizontal lines on it. The straighter the lines, the better. So actually it used to be assignment in our art college, and I didn't realize it helped me with my eyeliner thing until I did the eyeliner for the first time after joining this art college. So what I realized is my lines were much more consistent and straight. You should also practice it. It will help you make your lines straighter and consistent. So the second trick will make your eyeliner very easy. With this trick you will be able to do eyeliner for any shape of eye. In this, as you can see, this underline of this eyebrow, this one going upward, you just need to draw a line exactly parallel to this one on from the outer edge of your eye, and this will be the perfect shape of eyeliner for any shape of the eye. What I'm gonna do is I've taken this floss toothpicks and this eyeliner. You could use any type of eyeliner, whether it's gel eyeliner or marker or any other type. Just mark this floss area with your eyeliner and exactly parallel to the underline of your eyebrow from the outer edge of your eye. Just mark it here, just like this. Now what I'm gonna do is take this eyeliner. I'm gonna join this area with this mark line. You can just remove it any excess amount with this earbuds. Yeah, I was asked that how to do an eyeliner that starts from the middle of the eye. It's just the same. Draw that line with using that floss toothpicks, and just join it from the middle to the end, and there you go. You have your half eyeliner. And if you want to do a full eyeliner, just join it with the inner corner and you are good to go. Just draw the inner corner and you will have a full eyeliner look. As you can see, it's exactly the shape of her eye that it should be. In same way, this technique is applicable on any shape of the eyes. So these are just two major tricks that I use to do a perfect eyeliner. I hope you guys understood what I wanted to deliver here today, but if you still didn't, just drop your comments, and I will make another video if you don't get what I wanted to tell today. So you can see. That's it, I guess. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.